Hi everyone, Zach Reinhardt here, and I'm very excited to reveal my new brand to help you skyrocket your Blender 3D skills. In the last 2.5 years, I was building up my Zacharias Reinhardt brand, which included my YouTube channel, my online courses, but also mainly freelance work and teaching companies and individuals here in Germany how to make cool stuff with Blender. On the other side, I was running the weekly CG challenge for about 4 years with 143 challenges, which is an art competition for all kind of digital artists. And this also included the yearly SCULPT January event. Managing these projects along with some other projects were quite challenging, so I felt that it is about time to rethink how to optimize my time and to help you guys better to grow your 3D skills. That's why I decided to go all into my online business to increase the quality of my videos, my courses, and in general on how I can help you. My initial idea was to just go on with my Zacharias Reinhardt brand, but the name is pretty hard to remember, especially in its original German pronunciation. Zacharias Reinhardt. So I was searching for a more sticky name which also reflects what I wanted to do with the brand. So we came up with a new name called CGBOOST. CGBOOST brings my Zacharias Reinhardt brand, including the YouTube channel and the weekly CG challenge, including the SCULPT January event, all under one roof. So that means whenever you see this little rocket flying by, I'm involved. CGBOOST is split up into 3 main areas. First of all, we have the CGBOOST Academy, which is the place where you can find all of our online courses to supercharge your Blender 3D skills. And with the launch of CGBOOST, we also introducing our brand new Facebook community for students only to help you on your journey to become a better CG artist. The second big part is our CGBOOST challenge, which is basically a revised version of our weekly CG challenge, but for 3D artists only. We will run this 3-week challenge once a month, and you can win some awesome prizes provided by some of the best companies in the 3D industry. This challenge is an awesome way to challenge yourself, improve your skills, create some awesome artworks for your portfolio, win some cool prizes, and you can join our strong Facebook community for the CGBOOST challenge, where you can give or receive feedback from other artists and help each other grow. The last big part is the CGBOOST magazine, which consists out of Blender and other tutorials, advice videos, interviews, and much more. You can expect the same quality content as I was publishing before. And besides that, you can get access to our new Blender 2.8 hotkey PDF and our growing library of free content, of tutorials, project files, and more. All the links you find down below in the video description. And our big goal at CGBOOST is to empower you guys to bring your Blender 3D skills to the next level and eventually make a living with what you're passionate about. So the best thing you can do right now is go to cgboost.com/resources, download all of our free resources, and then go to cgboost.com/challenge and join our current CGBOOST challenge to improve your skills and to create awesome artwork for your portfolio and maybe win some cool prizes. So, what you waiting for? Do it now! Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Goodbye.